Oh snap. Oh snap. Getting it going. What it do, internet? David Baugh here, and today is vlog number 266, ladies and gentlemen. We're skeezing with the bean. Having a good time. About to go for her first band. Let's get into it. Oh, as long as it looks good for the internet. That must be in. How's this work?
Let's put her in between it. Get with her head there. Yeah.
Oi. Oi, looking good, Miss Bean. Looking good, Miss Bean. Here we go. Oh snap. Oh snap, family rolling out. Whip. Whip. Skeezing hard today, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is pretty dope. Scarlet only hates it a little bit. What do you think, Miss Babe?
You know, now that she's not crying, I'm a little, I'm better with it.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not crying for right now. Only mostly traumatized. That's like the most I've seen her cry, like ever, maybe.
More people, we stand on the corner like we don't flip the bike.
We're like down the street. We're like down the street from the fucking house. We didn't even get very far.
Less than a quarter mile away.
Less than a quarter mile, if even that.
Yeah.
You can almost see the house from here if you just go up the street and then you turn. There was a single turn that was made, so
Bring my bike over here.
you know.
Not fucking far enough. A quarter mile. Hey, you okay? Maybe we did traumatize her. It's okay, baby.
This is what it is.
It's okay. It's okay.
We try and do nice things for you, Miss Bean.
It's okay. God, why do you cry like that? Fuck. God.
Well, there's no way to get her back home without this thing, so she may not be big enough for her yet. Which is fine. It's fine that she hates it. That's all I had for you guys tonight. It was a pleasure as always, and you have a wonderful evening.